Religion, science, and spirituality help us make sense of the world. Life without at least one of them is a lonely and confusing place. Realize deeply that the present moment is all you have. Make the now the primary focus of your life. The spiritual life does not remove us from the world, but leads us deeper into it. Enlightenment means taking full responsibility for your life. Fools laugh at others, wisdom laughs at itself. It is in our wild nature that we best recover from our nature, our spirituality. God will not look you over for medals, degrees, or diplomas, but for scars. When you realize there is no lacking, the whole world belongs to you. The soul is placed in the body like a rough diamond and must be polished, or the luster of it will never appear. Nurture great thoughts, for you will never go higher than your thoughts. The unexamined life is not worth living. We can never obtain peace in the outer world until we make peace with ourselves. The way is not in the sky, the way is in the heart. Physical strength can never permanently withstand the impact of spiritual force. The world is full of magic things, patiently waiting for our senses to grow sharper. Study yourself sincerely. It's a spiritual exploration. Bring into play the almighty power within you, so that on the stage of life you can fulfill your high destined role. The privilege of a lifetime is to become who you really are. You will have to create the path by walking yourself. The path is not ready-made, lying there and waiting for you. I have so much to do that I shall spend the first 3 hours in prayer. When you arise in the morning, think of what a privilege it is to be alive, to think, to enjoy, to love. At any moment, you have a choice that either leads you closer to your spirit or further away from it.